Hello, and welcome to newbits.ai. I'm Goren 2.0, the AI avatar of our founder, envisioned and generated using advanced AI technologies, created with bits by newbits.ai. Today, I'd like to introduce you to AI Ed from Bits to Breakthroughs, our original podcast series, part of our mission to help you navigate the AI frontier. AI Ed from Bits to Breakthroughs was designed to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence for learners at all levels. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced professional, our podcast has something for everyone. Our episodes are crafted to demystify AI and provide valuable insights on everything from basic concepts to cutting-edge advancements. AI Ed from Bits to Breakthroughs is divided into 3 categories to make your learning journey easier to navigate. First, we have AI Basics, the fundamentals. This category is perfect for those just starting out with artificial intelligence. You'll learn core concepts, a bit of AI history, and foundational technologies like machine learning and neural networks. We also cover essential ethical considerations and the impact AI is having on society today. Next, we have AI Toolbox, empowering the learner. Once you're comfortable with the basics, this category helps you dive deeper. You'll get hands-on with AI tools, frameworks, and programming languages, along with step-by-step explanations of how to build simple AI projects. Plus, we provide insights into AI careers and the skills you'll need to succeed. Finally, we have AI Frontier, navigating the cutting edge. If you're ready for advanced concepts and future possibilities, this category is for you. Here, we explore emerging AI technologies, groundbreaking research, and the future of artificial intelligence in fields like quantum computing, robotics, and much more. Our AI Ed from Bits to Breakthroughs podcast is all about making complex AI topics engaging and accessible, so no matter where you are on your learning journey, you'll find something to inspire you. Let's take a test drive. On our AI Ed page, we've made it easy to access all of our podcast episodes through clickable links to both YouTube and Spotify. Each category, AI Basics, AI Toolbox, and AI Frontier, has its own dedicated section. You can simply click on the links to jump straight into the episodes that interest you most, whether you're a beginner looking for foundational knowledge or an expert diving into advanced AI topics. The page is designed for easy navigation, so you can seamlessly switch between the 3 categories and explore our podcast series. Additionally, we've created an AI glossary page on our website to accompany your learning. This glossary, entitled AI Glossary Bit by Bit, is designed to break down AI and machine learning terms from basic data units to advanced concepts, ensuring you have the tools to understand every bit of information. So whether you're listening to our podcast on YouTube, Spotify, or exploring the AI glossary on our website, newbits.ai is here to illuminate your path in the world of AI. We invite you to dive into AI Ed from Bits to Breakthroughs and explore our podcast episodes as we continue to demystify artificial intelligence and help you navigate the AI frontier. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.